as well as MPhil in Hindi. He is a motivational speaker, giving guidance to the students, especially about the grammar part. And he has started his YouTube channel named Ankush Durgi. Firstly, I would welcome our principal sir, Sunil Patil sir. I also welcome today's motivational speaker, Durgi sir. I also welcome our teachers and my dear students. Now I request Durgi sir to continue the session.
Okay, thank you madam. Thank you sir. Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ankush Durgi. It's my pen name. That is we say in Kannada or Marathi Kavyanama. I wrote more than thousands of poems in all four languages: Kannada, Marathi, Hindi and English. Still I am writing. I lectured about 25 to 30 years in Dharwad, Belgaum and Athani. Athani is my native taluka, and also in Maharashtra, Sangli. Along with my lecturing, still I am studying. Now I am the student of 60 years. I covered more than 10 degrees, computer science, then MA English, MA Hindi, MPhil, and now I am finishing one PhD, that is Problems of Middle Class. So, planning to start another. Very shortly I am going to finish this one. I am planning to start another. And my two daughters, Nikita and Amruta, both are also finishing their PhD in organic chemistry. Very shortly, within 1 or 2 months, and becoming scientists. And last week, my eldest daughter, that is Nikita, got the worldwide, internationally first rank topper, one of the super topper in the world, in the project, research project. Now she is getting 1 lakh rupees per month stipend, and lakhs together they are using many things they are giving us. So, and after this research project, when we will start as a scientist internationally, we will get the crores and crores, many more amounts, big amounts yearly or monthly. So it's a very great opportunity to capture such a things. And another second, that Amruta is also going to become scientist within 1 or 2 months. So you can become, everybody can become a super toppers. So there is my slogan. Nobody is a dull. Please remember this. Nobody is a dull and no subject is a tough. But we have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. If you follow the techniques, tricks, methods and ideas, you will become a super ranker within 3 to 6 months. Don't say that I am the slow learner, I am the average learner, I am the just above the average. I am not a super ranker like that. Please don't go in negative system. Be positive and become a super ranker. But you have to follow some special techniques. Here, now I am to give you some ideas in maths and some ideas in how to remember, how to read, understand, create questions and remember lessons. And again, I am giving ideas about the handwriting. I created many videos, but here I can't explain all those things. So I made a YouTube channel. It's totally free of cost. In 4 languages my YouTube channel is running. That is Ankush Durgi. It's a free of cost. So you are getting lectures on the various subjects for all that type of students, means primary, high school and college and degree and PhD, even PhD students. For all it is. For all the students and teachers, parents, it is very useful. Better to follow my YouTube channel. You are getting more than 400 videos. Now nearly more than 300 videos you are getting in maths. You can become a super ranker because of the basic maths. Here, now I am giving one idea here about the tables. how the tables can be made here within 2 minutes. You can cover. Yes, here you can see on YouTube channel, that is Ankush Durgi. Then Facebook Ankush Durgi, Instagram Ankush Durgi. There is another YouTube channel that is called, very recently I started, Ankush Durgi Marathi Media, in which you are getting purely Marathi lectures. जो कोणी आपण मराठी आपण घरी बोलता त्यांनी तुम्ही ते चॅनल यूज करू शकता. ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಂಕುಶ್ ದುರ್ಗಿ ಚಾನಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಮರಾಠಿ, ಹಿಂದಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we will try to create table for 52. There is a Vedic technique. Vedic maths is a Indian traditional mathematics. It's extraordinary. So if we follow the Vedic maths, your brain will become a super active. So it's a very nice procedure. By the help of Vedic maths, let us create the table for 52 here. Yes, here. Take it near. Yes. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ದೂರದಿಂದ. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ. Yes, come on. 52. Okay. Are you having watches? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ವಾಚ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. Within 2 minutes you will say that we can create tables up to 100. And you will say another statement here. We cannot forget these all things for lifelong. Means we will remember forever. And again, you will say these tables need no any hiding or practicing. Okay? Yes, come on. Are you ready? Yes. Ille nodbeku 100%. Look at this only. Be concentrate here only. Otherwise you will not get those things. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Please set your time. Okay, start. Come on. 52. First technique Vedic. First we have to write on the table for first digit. Again for the second digit. Is it clear? Yes. 2 tables we have made. Next technique. Here we are creating table for 52 jointly. We are taking support from this, help from this. There is a technique another. If we have 2 digits, then we have to take one line of digits of the second table, last line of digits. 2 digits, one line, last. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again the same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. That we have taken there. Next, another technique. The front line digits of the second table should be taken in the first table. Added, those should be added. That is 5. There is no digit to add. Take 5 as it is, 10 as it is, 15, 20. But here we are getting 1 here. That is 25 plus 1, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, 52. Is it clear? Yes. Now we have table of 52. In the same way, can you create table for 53? Yes. 64? Yes. 76? Yes. 89? Yes. 99? Yes. Means you can now create table up to 100. Am I right? Yes. Okay, this is the power of Vedic maths. Okay, please check your time.
So 1 minute 58 seconds.
1 minute 58 or 59 seconds. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Please invest only 1 or 2 minutes in a life once. In a whole your life once. You can create tables up to 100. Is this any need that any practice? No practice. No binding system. And you will not forget these things. Am I right? ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇದ್ರ ದಾಟಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ನಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಬತ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಿದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವೇ ಧನ್ಯ ಧನ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕವರ್ ದ creative system of tables, you can create the whole mathematical world. These are the backbone of mathematical world. If you cover this, you can cover the whole mathematical world. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತು ಬದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 5 to 10 years ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡೋದು. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. 22-23 ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, 25-26ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಲಕ್ಷ ತಂತಾನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊನ್ನೆ ನನಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ, ಯಾರು ಜಾಬ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಇವಾಗ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದೊಳಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 100 ಯು ಕವರ್ಡ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಆಮ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್? ನೌ ಗಿವ್ ಮೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 minute. You will say we can cover tables up to 1000 and lakhs and crores and unlimited tables. Just 1 minute. Come on here. Already we have table of 52 here. Is it clear? Come on. Now I want to create table for 952. 952. We have table of 52 already. What should I do now here? Very good, smart students. Yes, I have to write down the table of 9. Next, here 1 minute, wait a minute. Here we have, when we are having 2 digits, we have taken 1 line. 2 digits, 1 line. Here 3 digits. Wow, super. 2 lines we have to take. Last 2 lines you have to take there. And what we should do in the first line? It should be added in the table of 9. Then we will get the table of 952. It means we are very near to 1000. Can you create tables up to 1000 now? Yes. Good. Okay. If you get any 9s and 9s, you can create tables. Okay, let us see how these tables can be used in our daily life math. Okay, how these can be used here? Yes, come on, let us see that. I think so, Guru. Round up the ball. Learn round up the ball.
From back after that. So from back full. Huh?
Okay.
ಹಾಗೆ ನಕಲು ಬೇ
ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾಗಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಡು, ನಾನು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Okay, let us see that here. Now by using that table system, let us know the multiplication. Say 84 into 6. This is the common multiplication that you are coming across every moment. Okay, come on here. 6 4s are 24. 6 8s are 48. Say, this is the table of 4 and 6, and this is the table of 8 and 6. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Now there is a technique just we have done there. Here we have 2 digits. Then from the second, one should be taken for answer. That is last 4. Is it clear? Yes. Now, and the front one should be added in the first table. First table. How much? 48 plus 2? 50. Okay, this is the answer. 84 into 6 equals 504. Is it clear? ಒಂದೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಗತ್ತದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ once again. 6 4s are 28. 6 8s are 48. This is the second table and this is the first table. Here we have 2 digits, so we have to take one from second, that is last one, 4, and front should be added in the first table. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Suppose if here are 3 digits, 2 should be taken there, and always 1 is added here. If here are 5 digits, 5 4 1. If here are 12, 11 1. If here are 100, 99 1. If here are 1001, 1001. Wow, super. Now you can cover the multiplication of the word. Just a single technique. Super technique this is. Come on, I am giving question to you. Who want to answer in this procedure? Question. Yes, come on, please. Wow, super. Without giving question, he is ready to answer. This is the courage is key of success. Whatever it may be, answer right or wrong. Okay, please come here. Yes. Can you do orally like this? Yes, try it. You can do. Yes, come on. Yes. Please don't answer. This guy is here. Please support him. Okay? Yes, come on. 44 into 4. Yes. Wow, super. Is he right? 176. Wow, super.
Answer is 176. 176.
Wow, super.
Myself Abhishek Vinayak Chavan. I am from 8D. I am from Goptesh English Medium High School. Dhanyawad.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, come on. Last question in this period. I am jumping to another technique. Okay. Last question. Who wants to answer? Any from girl? Yes, come on, please. Yes. Yes, come on. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay. Please don't answer. You are getting answer. But please don't mumble or answer. We have to respect her. She is here. Okay, come on. Question is 99 into 9. Little bit confusion, but no problem. 891. Is he right? Yes. Wow, super. Please.
891 is the answer. 891 is the answer.
Yes, good, good.
My name is Janvi Anim Morgekar. I am from class 10C of Goptesh High School, City, Belgaum.
Yes, good, good. Thank you, thank you. Come on. Next, okay. Let us jump to another technique. Okay? Yes. One minute. Okay? Come on. Say, now making the square of any number. Just I am giving one idea here. You can make the squares of the numbers of the world. Single one idea. Come on. Say 94 square. 94 square. There I have given squares of different techniques. The numbers ending in 0 and numbers ending in 5. Then in those sessions I have given, you can see in those videos. I am giving some different techniques for you. Somewhat here the system. Yes, come on. Here, square of any number which are ending in any digit. Yes, come on. Here is the basic technique that says take the square of first. That is square of 9 is 81. Square of 4 is 16. Suppose if it is 3, then its square is 9. It's okay. But the technical answer that always squares are stated minimum in 2 digits. That is 09. That should be 09. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು IAS, KS ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 is right answer, no doubt, but technical answer is 01. Square of 2 is technical answer. 04. Square of 3? 09. Technical answer. Okay, come on. 4. Already we have 2 digits. No problem taking up 0. Come on. Square of first, square of second. Is it clear? Yes. Now, by leaving last one, next step, leaving last one, do the multiplication of these two. 9 4s are 36. Make it a double. 72. Okay, add this here. That is 6, 3, 8, 8. Okay, this is the square of 94. Is it clear? Let us see how this is linked with your modern maths. Whatever the maths we are studying in school, college, this is called modern maths. And this is modern maths is the product of Vedic maths. See that. Square of first, that is a square. Square of second, that is b square. Multiplication, ab. Double, 2ab. Is it clear? A square, b square, 2ab. It's all. Now you can answer you can write out the answers for any pair of numbers having ending in any digit. Is it clear? ಒಂದೇ ಸಾಕು ಜಗತ್ತದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇವಾಗ. Next, I am giving another technique here. That is, come on, different technique. Yes. Numbers that are having series means 999 or 888, 222 or 10th syllabus 1 addition. 10th syllabus. Yes, come on. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 10. If the series is like this, that is your syllabus. Arithmetic progression, 10th syllabus, 10th lesson. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash up to 10. If the series like 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000 and so on, then there is a Vedic technique. That is, take the half of the last one. What is the half of last one? 5. Then repeat this one. 5. Answer is 5 or 55. Is it clear? Yes. What is the Vedic technique? Take the half of the last one and repeat it. Is it clear? Now question to you. Sum of 1 to 100 numbers. Yes? Wow, super. Come here. 50, that is 5,050. Yes, please.
The answer is 5,050.
Wow, super. So nice. What is your good name and class and school?
My name is Mayur Shivanawar. I study in class 8D of Gopdesh English Medium High School in Dawadi, City Belgaum. And
How do you feel about these techniques?
I like it. They are so easy to follow, and I can use this in my maths of any lesson or any syllabus in my life.
Wow, super. Thank you. Yes, come on. So, naturally expressed is attitude. So naturally. Wow, super. Come on. Come on. Come on, next. What will be the sum of 1 to 1000 numbers? Arithmetic progression 10th class. 500. Wow, super. Okay, last question. Sum of 1 to 1 lakh numbers. 20,000. Okay. Now I am giving another example here. concerned with the odd numbers. Arithmetic progression 10. Come on. See here. Arithmetic progression, that is sum of the odd numbers. Say 1 plus 3 plus 5 7 Okay. Enough. Here, sum of odd numbers. Here, go on adding normally, normal system, everyday system, normal. That is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, plus 7, 16, plus 9, 11, 13, 15, 64. This is normal procedure. But in Vedic, they say that in Vedic, whatever the number of numbers added, make it a square. How many numbers are there? 8. Square of 8? Answer. Finish. Number of numbers square. That's over. Okay. Next. Come on. Next. Let us jump to another technique. 100 minus 100 into 0. What will be the answer? 0. Which process should be done first? You have to follow BODMAS or BIDMAS. You have that. Without BIDMAS or BODMAS, word cannot calculate, word cannot give answer, means all can't answer. So in BODMAS, what we say, please understand the BODMAS first. That is, in BODMAS, see that BODMAS. Yes. Please first check that which comes first. That operation should be done first. P brackets. There are no brackets. O means off. That is special multiplication. There is no off. D division. There is no division. There is no division. Leave it. Is there multiplication? First we have to take the multiplication. Keep 100 as it is. 100 minus 100 into 0. 0. Okay, that is 0. That is 0. Next, now there comes minus. According to BODMAS, addition. There is no addition. Yes means subtraction. Now at last we have to do subtraction. Now subtract that. 100. What is the answer? 100. Okay, 100 minus 0. 100. Okay, this is answer. Oh, this is answer. It is Jagattada maths. Wrong answer endu barudilla. BODMAS follow ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. So today please follow my YouTube channel in which you are getting a big question of maths in a BODMAS video. There is a video, BODMAS video. ಒಂದಿದೆ BODMAS ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜಗತ್ತದ ಬೇಕಾದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ BODMAS. ಮತ್ತು BODMAS ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಂದೂ ಸರಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ನನಗೂ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 60 years now I am running 60, still I am studying. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ನಾ ಬರಲಾರ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬೆನ್ನತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ತೇರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಂತ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇವೆ. ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 400 videos in which you are getting more than 300 videos in maths. ಆಳಿವೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಡೇ ನೈಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಕುಂತ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ರು ಮುಗಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೊಂದೊಂದೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಅವು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ 2+2 4. ನಿಮ್ಮ 2+2 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ I have given you that odd numbers. I am giving there even numbers addition, arithmetic progression. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3-4 times ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್, ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಸರಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓದಿದನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಬೆಕಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೇ 1 2 3 4 divided by 5. If it is divided by 5, 1 to 9 series ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. 2 ಲೇ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ 2 4 6 8 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. 3 ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ 9 3 9 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದ, 6 ಬರ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ, 7 and 5 ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. खूप काही व्हिडिओज मिळतील तुम्हाला माझ्या YouTube चॅनल मध्ये, चारही भाषेमधून. येस कम ऑन बघा इकडे. In Vedic what they say, make the double of the given number. Double of given number 4 double 8 6 we have made it double. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We have made it double. Is it clear? There is a single 5. Then by leaving single digit, put the decimal. Okay, this is your answer. Yes, this is answer. Over. Understand? Yes, come on. Now, see that? Yes, please. Silence. How this can be solved in the modern maths, in your school maths? Let me explain. School method. Say 1 2 3 4 divided by 5. Here there is a procedure in the school method that 5 should be converted into 10. That is 5 to the 10. We have to take 2 here. The same should be taken upside to maintain ratio improperly. It should not be imbalanced. Okay? Next. Then 5 2s are 10. 2 4s are
8. 6 4 2.
Is it clear? Next, school method. School method. Here is 1 0. 1 0. By giving one digit, take the decimal. 2 4 6.8. Okay, this is school method. Both are the answers set. This is school method. This is modern math, which is called British math. What they did, they have taken that our Vedic technique and they have written in a step by step method. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಒಂದಿದೆ, 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 0 ಒಂದಿದೆ, 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಜಗತ್ತು ವೇದಿಕ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಅಬೇಕಸ್ ಬೇರೆ. ನೋ, ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮದೇ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಬೇಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಊಟ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಓನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಂದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ, ವೇದಿಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇವೆ. ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಡುವಾಗ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ವೇದಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀದಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದ Vedic, your brain will become super active. Then maths will be super. Automatically all subjects will be super. Okay? ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.